What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to make a quick video related to Amazon FBA inbound shipments. Now I was running out of video ideas for Amazon FBA, even though there's so many things you could talk about, and I thought to myself, like, what is something that I didn't get immediately that dawned on me later? And one very simple trick was that when you're creating inbound shipments, if you say that you're shipping from a West Coast address, Amazon will want you, they basically, they understand logistics. They don't want you to have to send your goods when you're sending it into the FBA warehouses further than you need to. So what they'll do is they'll connect you to a West Coast fulfillment center as the destination for your goods. Now, if you're familiar with the world and how it's laid out in geography, you'll notice that if you're ordering from, Asia, China, somewhere, that the shortest distance to the United States would in fact be the West Coast or the North Coast, if you want to call it, China, over Canada. So I have actually flown to China, and yeah, you do take sort of a northern path, not just straight across the Pacific, but that's a different story. But anyways, I confirmed this with my freight forwarder, so I know it's true. If you get it shipped to a West Coast fulfillment center, you will in fact save money on all of your inbound shipments. So guys, that's a quick tip for today. It probably dawned on me after I had done like 5 or 6 inbound shipments. I decided to ask my freight forwarder, like, hey man, what if I was able to get it shipped to a West Coast fulfillment center? He said, yeah, it's a great idea. So what I did is I just went and phoned up one of my buddies who lives out in California, and he said, yeah, you can use my address, no problem. So that solved that. Been saving money on inbound shipments ever since. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for checking it out. If you have any questions, comments, hit me up below. I'll read and respond to everything, and please consider subscribing for more videos like this. I'll see you at the next one.